Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Monday, November 16th, 2020. I hope you're all having a great day today. We're going to talk about a brand new virtue this week that is integrity. Before we do that, let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can go ahead and have a seat, and I want to start talking to you about this virtue. So the virtue is integrity. It's not a word that you use very often. So I want to hear you say it. Can you say integrity? All right, nice job. Integrity. Integrity means like two big ideas, okay? One big idea is that you are doing the right thing even when nobody's watching. Like even when you're all alone by yourself, you're still making the right choice. The second part of integrity has to do with you being the kind of person that just uses all the virtues. And that's when people are watching or when they're not watching, but it's you telling yourself to use the virtues. It's when you're telling yourself to be kind or be nice to people or be a good friend, or you're telling yourself to be respectful, or maybe you're telling yourself to be responsible when nobody else is around, to do the things that your parents told you to do. So it goes with that thing Mrs. Tickle talked about last week with keeping your word. Like if you say you're going to do something, you should do it. That is showing integrity. So I want to do some scenarios with you this week. And the one we're going to start with today is an actual true story from my childhood. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to tell you a little story about something that I did, something that happened to me, and then I want you to guess and think of what I should do next. And then we'll pause and we'll come back together and I'll tell you what I actually did. So here's what happened, and this is a true story. I was in my brother's bedroom, and he had a breakable toy, and it was sitting on top of his dresser, and I was messing around with it, and I shouldn't have, and I knocked it off, and it broke. Okay, so I'm standing there in my brother's room with a broken toy. Got a slide for you. It wasn't really a Buzz Lightyear toy. That didn't exist back then. But what do you think I should do? So teachers, you can go ahead and pause the video for a few minutes, have a discussion with your class. Back to when Mr. Wright was a little boy, I didn't have a beard or anything. What should I do after I broke my brother's toy? Teachers, when you unpause, I'll come back on the screen and tell everyone what I actually did do. All right, I'm back. I'm sure you had a bunch of great ideas. And you know what? This is kind of confession time because I have a little bit of a sad story to tell you. I wanted to start this week off with this story because when I was a little kid, I did not handle this one with integrity, and I felt super guilty about it. I felt like this gross, horrible feeling in my stomach because I didn't use integrity. Here's what I did. I took his toy and I set it back up on the dresser. And I put it just right so it all balanced together perfectly and it looked like it was fine. But the next time he walked in and grabbed it, of course it just crumbled and it broke. And then he thought it broke. It turned out like I did that because I was ashamed that I had broken his toy. It ended up turning out pretty badly because I felt horrible about that decision. And then when he thought he broke his toy, then he got really sad. And at that point, I did end up showing integrity, and I told the truth, and I told him, I'm really sorry. It was actually me that broke your toy. You didn't break it. But that was one that I actually didn't handle really well. I'm sure your ideas were much better than what I did in real life. Let's try another scenario like that tomorrow. Have a great day, Achieve. Make sure you show more integrity than I did in that situation. Bye.